Imagine if, for your next birthday, your parents gave you shares instead of shoes, a gift that actually grows while you sleep. It sounds unreal, right? But it's completely possible, and today, I'll show you how you can start investing as a teenager in Sri Lanka. Most teens think investing is only for adults, but the truth is, you can start learning and even investing indirectly before you turn 18. All it takes is your curiosity and a little help from your parents, who play a crucial role in guiding your early financial journey. Step 1 is to learn. Start by watching educational CSE channels or investigate to understand what stocks are and how companies earn. Learn how patient investors build wealth and explore resources from the Securities and Exchange Commission of Sri Lanka, or SEC, and the Colombo Stock Exchange, or CSE. Then, observe. Pick a few companies you know, maybe Dialogue, Keels, or Haley's, and track their share prices every week. This hands-on observation helps you understand market dynamics and how real-world events influence company valuations. We can arrange classes to teach you how to perform fundamental analysis of companies based on value investing principles and methods used by investors such as Warren Buffett. Step 2 is to talk to your parents. Ask them to open a CDS account in their name and buy a few shares on your behalf. You must follow their advice and get their consent at all times. Remember, teenagers cannot directly open a central depository system, or CDS, account, so parental assistance is essential for trading on the Colombo Stock Exchange. You can suggest shares as a birthday or New Year gift instead of another gadget. Tell them, Mom, Dad, I want to learn investing early. That small start could grow into something amazing one day, fostering a habit of financial responsibility and future wealth. Step 3 is to start small and keep learning. Even 1,000 or 2,000 rupees a month is enough to start learning the habits. You can track your virtual portfolio on paper or use free apps to follow the market, making it accessible and engaging. The secret isn't big money, it's consistency. If you start early and stay patient, your money and your mind will both grow. Consider unit trusts as a good starting point, offering diversification and professional management with entry points as low as 10,000 rupees. So next time you're about to blow your birthday money on something temporary, think about giving yourself or asking your parents for a share of the future. Because investing in yourself and your knowledge is the best compound interest there is. This is Natasha from Investigate. Let's build smarter investors, one teenager at a time. Please subscribe to our channel and share it with friends. Check the description for all additional details made to get you started.